Introduced in an attempt to stabilize an economy that's been on a roller coaster for decades, the ZiG represents hope but also brings a host of challenges. Just last month, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe launched this gold-backed currency, starting with a digital conversion from the old RTGS system. But physical notes? They were delayed until the end of the month. Meanwhile, people were told to keep using the old bond notes, a promise that fell flat as businesses began rejecting them outright. Now let's talk numbers. A carpenter in the suburbs of Harare, the capital, might stop for a drink priced at $3.70. But when it comes time to pay, the stable US dollar is preferred and the small change, that's given in the fleeting local currency. This scenario, common across Zimbabwe, throws budgeting out the window. Every day, people have to plan more meticulously just to get by. Despite the chaos, the US dollar isn't going anywhere. Zimbabwe's central bank governor announced at the ZiG launch that the greenback would remain a medium of exchange. So why introduce a new currency at all? Well, the ZiG is structured to have a market-determined exchange rate backed by gold, which theoretically should bring some stability and trust back to the national currency. Yet, the ground reality is harsh. Traders at Mbare Market saw the value of goods like peanuts skyrocket overnight. What was once half a dollar became unaffordable for many, pushing the traders to demand hard currency, the US dollar. The irony, even those arrested for currency offenses have to post bail in US dollars. Homes, school fees, cars, even new passports, all priced in a foreign currency. And amidst all this, most Zimbabweans rely heavily on remittances from abroad. The new currency, aimed at economic stability, ends up highlighting the deep-rooted challenges and dependencies. The question now facing Zimbabwe is not just about a new currency, but about economic discipline, trust in the system, and the resilience of its people.